Today, I'm gonna tell you about Copilotly. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. Copilotly is a powerful writing tools anywhere online to help you write whatever you need. The browser extension that gives you access to 50+ AI copilots that help you write, summarize, and paraphrase web content. Access 50+ AI copilots with the Copilotly browser extension anywhere online, including Gmail, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Use the chat-based interface to communicate with your AI writing assistant and get personalized suggestions. Here's how it works. All you have to do to get started is download the browser extension, and you're good to go, whether you're browsing Twitter, LinkedIn, or wherever. If you see something that inspires you, just highlight some text and let Copilot work its magic. Works where you do. It uses advanced AI to turn a few sentences into basically anything you need. Explore your possibilities with Copilotly AI. There are 50+ specialized copilots. These powerful tools make sure you can complete any writing task with ease and style. Got a blog post to write? There's a Copilot for that. Need to write a catchy social media post? No problem. Need to write the perfect email reply? There's a Copilot for that too. Whatever you want to do, just highlight your inspiration and pick a Copilot to handle the rest. Get assistance from Copilotly while you are on Gmail, Twitter, LinkedIn, all your other favorite sites. Unlock your mind's potential with Copilotly. You can just chat with the AI Copilot, search better, write faster, and be more productive. You can use Copilotly's our browser extension anywhere online, including social media sites, blogs, and even Google Docs. Plus, you can even embed your team members and give them their own workspace. You will be able to highlight text from any website to generate content like ebooks and blog posts. This is a game changer for anyone who struggles to keep up with their content calendar, email outreach, and other writing projects. Whether you're working on a project or just need a little inspiration for that blog post, Copilotly AI by your side. You'll be able to take advantage of 10 different categories of copilots, including Search Copilots, Blogging Copilots, and Ads Copilots. That way, you can whip up articles, respond to emails, summarize academic texts, and write social media captions on the fly. With Copilotly, you can switch to the chat-based interface to collaborate with your AI assistant in a more intuitive and human-like way. You'll be able to give commands, ask questions, and provide feedback to further refine the results and get exactly what you want. It's like having a super dependable AI assistant who's ready to help you with whatever you need. Learn and imitate your natural writing style to produce content that sounds exactly like you. You'll be able to add team members to your plan, so everyone can wrap up their deliverables a whole lot faster. And because they get their own private workspace, you won't have to worry about confidential information getting leaked. Access 50+ AI tools with one browser extension to write, summarize, and paraphrase content. Copilotly's browser extension gives you access to more than 50+ AI tools that can tackle all the content tasks on your list. Streamline your writing process. So click on the link below to Copilotly for an incredible price. Hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.